I'm back. I just had to do the iCloud and all of that, but now I think I'm on the road, so fingers crossed. So it may take a few whiles, and I'm actually quite pleased with my purchase. Can't believe how heavy it is as well. I'm looking forward to trying out these cameras. Oh, you can see the case more better now. And the bad thing is, I can't find a charger that fits that. So, yeah, happy days. Oh, here we go. Keep your iPhone up to date. Right, you're going to go through this process with me, sorry. Continue. Enable. iCloud keychain, what the hell is that? I don't use that anyway. Continue. Right. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, what's the weather like today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music. Hey Siri. Continue. Okay, continue. Not now. Don't really want screen time. Don't share. Dark. Don't like the dark. Prefer the light. Continue. Continue. Welcome to iPhone. And on. Oh. Hey, I'm in. What's this message? What's this say? And I'm gonna pause this here. Hotmail.com. Send code.